How to improve brain power. There are several ways to improve brain power, including exercise regularly to increase blood flow to the brain and improve overall physical and mental health. Get enough sleep to allow the brain to rest and repair itself. Eat a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 fatty acids to provide the brain with the necessary nutrients. Challenge your brain with activities such as puzzles, memory games, and learning a new skill or language. Practice mindfulness and stress management techniques such as meditation and yoga. Stay socially active and engage in meaningful conversations with others. Avoid alcohol and drugs and keep your blood pressure and cholesterol levels in check. Keep your mind active and engaged by reading, writing, and playing games. Take up a hobby or learn a new skill. Seek professional help if you are experiencing any symptoms of cognitive decline.